Okay, so this is all about whether we can make a product or service financially viable. So this first video is about the cost of producing the product or service. So the first thing we need to look at is fixed costs. Now these are any costs that basically never ever change, no matter what you do with how many products you create or how much service you actually generate. So it's costs that are always going to remain the same. So this would include things like rent, loan repayments, insurance, advertising, salaries, and utilities. So when you are thinking about how much your fixed outgoing costs are going to be, you need to basically start by thinking about the big ones. So how much rent are you going to need to pay for the actual shop or the factory or whatever it is that you are using? If you've used a loan, so you've got any capital that you've used to borrow some money, then you need to think about how much that's going to be to repay. If you've got any insurance to cover like anything like a fire to burn the business down or anything like that. Advertising, now obviously to generate new customers, we need to advertise, and sometimes that might be quite a big outgoing cost. You've also got salaries, so all of your staff salaries combined would be your fixed cost. And also utilities, so that's bills like electric bills, gas bills, water bill, etc. Now variable costs are when the costs vary. That's where it gets its name from. So it's when these can change depending on how much product or service you generate. So in other words, the costs are going to increase if you create more products or decrease if you create less products. So that's going to include things like the raw materials that you need to actually create something. So if you were making t-shirts, for example, it would be the cotton or the polyester that you need to buy in to create the t-shirt. It'd be the components. So if you're making mobile phones or computers, it would be how much do the CPUs cost, how much of the screen, how much of the keyboards, etc. Then you've got the stock. So how much would it cost to get all of the things in stock that you need? And also we've got packaging. So once you've actually created the product, you need to think about stuff like packaging. Obviously this will increase if you start creating more products. Finally, we've got total costs. So this is essentially your fixed costs added to your variable costs. And it's the total amount of expenditure, so the total amount of outgoing money for your project. So the formula for that is really simple. It's just fixed costs added to the variable costs. So just as a little example, if you just look at a really basic t-shirt company, you can see the fixed costs and variable costs in the center of the spreadsheet. So that is all our different expenditure. So this is just an example breakdown. So examples of fixed cost, we've got rent, staff, utilities, and advertising. And I've just said some random figures there to show you that they all add up to make our total fixed cost. Then we've also got variable costs. So this could be t-shirt cost per t-shirt, printing per t-shirt, and packaging per t-shirt. So that comes to £5 in total for one t-shirt. And then to work out the total variable costs, you need to calculate it by how many actual items you're going to create. So basically, if it's £5 per t-shirt, it's variable cost because it depends how many t-shirts you're actually going to make. So if I make 10,000 t-shirts, it's going to cost £50,000 as our variable cost. The total cost is the fixed plus the variable, which makes 59,500. So that's obviously a really useful figure because then we can figure out how many t-shirts we're actually going to need to sell to cover our costs. So that's it for the first video. If you've got any questions, just send me an email and I'll get back to you.